I am Sampurak Talukdar of Section 2 DIY Group 1. My roll number is 20CE10060. For this week's DIY assignment, I will be disassembling this fx82-MS Casio calculator. As you can see, the model number is fx82-MS. This calculator is of the company Casio. These are all the buttons. This is the display. These are the ratings and details. These are the ratings and details of the Casio calculator. As you can see, the rating is DC 1.5 volt, 0.0001 watt, and there are other ratings related to battery and size of the calculator. Now we will be unscrewing these screws on the back panel of the calculator, and accordingly we will be opening the calculator. Now first of all, I have already loosened the screws with this screwdriver, so now I will be taking them out. Okay, so now we will open the back panel slowly. As you can see, this is the main circuit board which controls all the functions of the calculator. This is the integrated circuit. This is the main display. This is the battery that powers the calculator. This is the positive terminal. This is the negative terminal. This is the positive terminal wire. This is the negative terminal wire, this black wire, and this red wire is the positive terminal wire. As you can see, these are the resistors on the circuit. And these are all the different circuit elements that control all the different functions of the calculator. Now if we could further open up the circuit board and remove it, then we could have seen the rubber button pad that was below it, but in previous models it used to be removable, but in this model this is permanently sealed by these seals, so we will not be able to remove the circuit board. But as you can see, this thing is basically the button pad. It is made of rubber, as you can see. This contains this maintains the contact of these actual buttons with the circuit board, and hence completes the functioning of the calculator. So that's it. Now we will again reassemble the calculator. Okay, so this is the reassembled calculator. As you can see, it is still working. So there we go. These are the buttons, and that's all. Thank you.